This is a Honda Civic EG, a carbureted version which can be found on EG3 EL Civics. I will show you how to change the fuel filter on a carbureted vehicle. The fuel filter is located underneath on the rear left side. Jack up the vehicle. Make sure to put some axle stands for safety. For Honda Civic EG, this is where you can mount it on the suspension arm mounting, a strong mounting point of this vehicle. Carefully lower the vehicle. Make sure that the axle stands are properly positioned. This is how it looks like underneath. And as you can see, there is the fuel filter. Actually, there is a small plastic cover here, and I haven't returned it yet. This is the plastic cover, and I will return it once I have some plastic clips. This has 3 plastic fasteners, so remove it first to get access to the fuel filter. Then remove the 10mm nut that holds the bracket of the fuel filter. This is where the 10mm nut is placed. Once removed, set the bracket aside. There you can see a fuel hose connected to the fuel filter, and another one there. The metal clamp on the hose is different from the original because I replaced it with a screw type, which is a lot better. If you still have the original metal clamps, use a regular pliers to remove it. Before you pull the fuel hose, read this important reminder. This is a small cap that I will use to temporarily block the fuel hose. When I pulled the hose, nothing came out. I just did this to make sure that nothing will come in or out from the fuel hose. This is the new fuel filter. Take note of the code to make sure that you get the right product. Here is the old fuel filter. The arrow is an indication where the fuel goes to the engine. By shaking the fuel filter, there you will determine if the filter inside is already detached from the housing. In other words, it is broken. Here's a quick test. On the output side, or the one with the arrow indicator, the fuel has a weak and inconsistent flow. If I do it on the other side, it flows easily. This is an example of a broken and dirty fuel filter. Here's a side-by-side comparison. Remember that the arrow goes to the engine, and the other one to the fuel tank. This is the correct fuel filter, and as you can see, it fits perfectly into the bracket. The filter has a small plastic tab. This small tab locks here. This keeps the fuel filter in place. Install the new fuel filter. Tighten each metal clamp. Reinstall the metal bracket. Put the fuel filter in place. return and tighten the 10mm nut. After that, you can now return the plastic cover. It is placed like that. But for now, I won't because I don't have plastic clips for it. I will reinstall it soon. Start and test the vehicle. Also, don't forget to check for any fuel leaks. I hope you enjoy and find this video helpful. Thank you for watching and God bless.